So you threw your video onto the timeline and it looks like this instead of landscape. Let's fix it. So here's our video, and what we need to do, we need to correct our sequence, and for that go to the sequence and sequence settings. And in here you can see that it says vertical, it's 9:16, and we need to make it 16:9, so we need to flip those values. So we're going to go 3840, 2160. Okay, if it's a 4K resolution, and if it's a full HD resolution, it will be 1920 by 1080. Okay, so now we're going to press OK, and it will say that you're changing, etc, etc. We're just going to press OK. Now this is the correct resolution for our video. What we need to do next is we need to click on our video and go to the effect controls, and in here we have this rotation, and we need to rotate it to -90 degrees in this particular case. Press enter, and voila, there you have it. Your video is corrected. This is it. Now you know how to fix your videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome.